It's 5 a.m. My paper is due in 3 hours. I have a meeting following all my classes. I'll need to pull another all-nighter tonight for my exam tomorrow. I guess I'll go grab another coffee. How did I get here? Thinking back to my first steps as a Buckeye, I can hear the Get Involved video telling me about the involved culture of Ohio State's campus. Meetings, classes, deadlines, and homework were taking up all my time. I ended up skipping meals and sacrificing sleep. What happened? I lost the balance I had back home when I was in high school. As the second semester of sophomore year rolled around, I was gripping onto my GPA. I was consumed by extracurricular activities. My time was no longer managed properly. My stress level was through the roof, and for some reason, I still craved having more on my plate. I wasn't alone. Walking through the Center for Student Leadership and Service, there were badges of pride from sleepless nights. But if you asked them to add one more thing to their resume, they would tell you yes. College students think about resumes, how to get ahead, how to be competitive. This creates a pattern of disconnection to what we used to be passionate about. Our social relationships are often less about getting to know each other and more about going out on the weekend. We take control of our finances. We often get lost in what really deserves our money. Stress amounts from classwork, and the first thing to go is our sleep and the maintenance of our bodies. As I sat exhausted in class and through my organization's meetings, I had a realization. What was I really absorbing through these experiences? Could I really be investing in my future without first investing in myself? After I expressed a feeling of being overwhelmed and disconnected, a friend told me I just needed to take the time to invest in me so I could invest back in my work. Soon, I regained control and became meaningfully present within my classes, my friends, and within my organizations. Learning the art of balancing brought me out from under all the deadlines and back into what was really happening around me. This relief resonated with me, and I knew others could benefit from my experience. There's a line in my sorority's purpose that says, "To welcome the opportunity of contributing to the world's work in the community where I am placed." STEP gave me the opportunity to share my experience with my Ohio State community. It is hard to be given a push to change your lifestyle, but our college years are where we prepare ourselves for the rest of our lives. When I leave Ohio State, I don't want to be run down from work. I want to hit the ground running because of all the amazing experiences I was truly present for in my 4 years. Instead of expecting leaders to find time to go to the Student Wellness Center, I took my experience of being overwhelmed and disconnected right to the hub of student organizations in the Center for Student Leadership and Service. STEP helped me bring activities, resources, and food to help other students that might be buried in the deadlines. They found resources and information that could help restore those meaningful relationships. Through my STEP experience, I learned the power that one person has to fulfill their goals and make a difference. I had a small idea to bring wellness concepts to my peers, to hopefully give them the push that I needed to regain the control of my life. Now, whenever I walk through the Center for Student Leadership and Service, I cannot help but smile when someone asks me when the next Wellness Wednesday is.